build a brand now, and why is now the time to actually build your brand? Why is now better than ever to actually build a brand up for yourself, to actually have something online? And what do you think is going to happen now that with everything going on in the world with the coronavirus and everything like that? Well, I'm going to say that building a brand now is more important than ever, because a lot of people with the coronavirus are losing their jobs. People are going out of business. People are dependent on being able to survive. And what's going to happen when people lose their jobs? What are they going to do when they don't know how to build some funds for themselves, build some way to support themselves and their family? If they don't have a way to generate revenue for themselves and their family, then they have to be dependent on a job. And right now, with the way things are, it's very complicated for a lot of people, and a lot of people are struggling right now. So now more than ever is the time to build a business online, because a lot of people are coming to online because everything's going into this age of digital, right? So if you don't know digital, right now is the age of digital, where everything's going online. So technology is important right now in this time. And if you don't know that, then you're going to be lost and you're going to fall behind in the world, because that's what's happening right now. So you want to get with the times. And right now with video and the importance of video, people are meeting by video. People are doing stuff by video. People are selling courses by video. People are doing training and mentorship by video. And video is very, very important. And with everything going on now, you could actually have meetings now with people face to face, and you don't have to be in the same room with them. You could actually do it from the comfort of your home. You could do it from wherever you're at, and you could talk to people all over the world with the internet now. So now is a great time to build a business online, because first, because people are losing their jobs. Second, because it will generate you revenue even while you sleep. Thirdly, because you will be able to make money from anywhere in the world, and you will be able to have customers from anywhere in the world. So no matter what kind of marketing you do, no matter what kind of business you do, you always want to leverage the internet, because you could reach more people. You could have a broader span of people across the world, rather than having a brick and mortar business to where you have one location and you're limited to that surrounding location. You don't want to be limited, right? You want to be able to have your brand and have it go large, and grow that way. So when it goes large, you could actually create the brand that you want without having to worry about the restrictions of being limited to that location. And a lot of people now, they're gonna come online, because what would you do actually if you were to lose your job? You would go out, you would look for other ways to make money. A lot of people are resourceful. Not everybody's going to do it. It's not going to be for everybody. Not everybody's going to be a marketer. Not everybody's going to want to make money online. Not everybody's going to want to be independent and work from home and do all that stuff. Some people actually like going into their job, going into the office, going into whatever they do, and interacting with people. But that's on them, and that's their own personal preference. Some people grew up that way. Some people are just used to being in that pattern of working for somebody else. So some people are always going to do that, and some people are always going to look for other jobs because they think that's the way. But this is specifically for people that want to have their own, specifically for people that don't want to do all the stuff, that want to actually build their own brand, build their own lifestyle, have a means of freedom, have a means of time freedom, financial freedom, and the other freedoms that come along with building your own brand and people knowing who you are as a household brand. So it's very, very important to be able to tap into the market now and know that the time is now to build online business, because everything that's going on with the coronavirus now, it's keeping people in their home more than it would normally. And A lot of businesses are restricted in hours and everything like that, but you have an advantage right now because you could actually run your business from your home. So you don't really need to go out. You could actually have the true definition of a home-based business and be able to make money while you're sitting at home. And so if you learn these skills now, you'll be able to generate that for yourself and your family, and you'll be in a good situation. So you want to learn these skills now. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you soon.